This first tutorial for creating a soapbox brand is doing research. Your step one is research. So you're going to look at existing brands, then you're going to come up with some sketches, just ideas, concepts. You could base some based on what's out there, see what other people are selling the kids, and try to come up with something of your own. The next step is to actually put this down on paper in a creative brief. Okay, so your creative brief must include the following. You're going to describe the target market, not just children, but what do they like? What do they buy? Describe your product, including a generic name, and your brand attributes. Describe competitors, create a brand name, slogan, and design a trademark that that explains what your brand is all about. Try to give it an image. So what I did was, this is for children, obviously. I'm making it unisex, and I decided that my target is the kids that like to play in the water and mud, and they like to buy stuff or ask to buy stuff that's fun. So I decided mud-covered soap, hygienically processed mud-coated bath soap. And the brand attributes are that the kids are going to start muddy but then get clean. They love to stomp at puddles, so they'll love it. I looked at the competitors, and believe it or not, there are many mud puddle soaps out there, but they're all made for adults and cost $7 to $10 a bar. So I have a link that you can click on from Google Classroom. But ours is only $3 a bar and made specifically for children, so that puts us ahead of the competition. The brand name, I didn't do Mud Puddle Soap because that was already there, so I changed it to Mud Pud Soap. And I decided on the polka dot boots as an icon for my product and maybe a range of products. My slogan is "Have a splashing good time." And there you can see my comp for my logo. Okay, so that concludes part one of this that is due today, or due on Friday, whatever day you see this. All right, thanks a lot.